We're at Sandalwood Manor and it is so windy, but it is great because today we're photographing and doing video to two amazing couples. We're doing a style shoot, so soon you're gonna be seeing these pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, and I'm so good with you that I want to show you a preview, a behind the scenes, so you can see them before everyone else. So come with me, we're going around the venue taking photos of this gorgeous couple. So stay with me. Big smile. Big smile, you're looking down, smiling, smiling. Now I want to see the big smile. Perfect. One more time. I like to have wide angle lens in here. Color. 1, 2, 3. Don't look at me. Look down. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Both looking that way, but cheeks together. Slowly. Yeah. And big smile, both of you. Can you do tickles to her? Turn to her, towards her. Same. Then you go. Close your eyes. There you go, like that. Ah. And both look at me. Cheeks together, look at me. 1, 2, 3. More towards him, get closer to him, like lean on his. Stretching your neck is the most important. Looks super elegant and bright. 1, 2, 3. Let me shoot from this. Let me shoot it for her. And pointing like a ballerina, like this or like this. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes a little more. Yes. Oh, let me see the back of your dress. Turn on your hips. 1, 2, 3. Look outside. You rotate a little towards me. There you go. Beautiful. One. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Now both hands on your pockets. One chin down. 1, 2, 3. Switch sides. One, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, Rachel, stretch your chin. Both of you. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Towards the light. Okay. Spin completely if you can. Okay, all the way. And looking at the light when you finish. 1, 2, 3. And let's see, can you kick your leg? Like that. Yeah, I want it like that. Pour your champagne yourself. And like laughing like, ha ha. Beautiful. This arm, there. Smile, there you go. There you go. Now instead of looking at her, look at me. Look at the camera. You're gonna be turning to each other. There you go. Get a little close to her and you can close your eyes as you're doing the. Light. Here. Perfect. Like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let me see the drama. Towards each other, foreheads together, closing your eyes like that. There you go. Your expressions are the most important. I laugh like, ha, okay? So, okay, 1, 2, 3. With the veil here in the lens. And now big smile, smiling. Get a little closer to her, like rub your lips on her cheeks, like on her. There you go. There you go. This one is gorgeous. Both look at me. Cheeks together, looking at me. There you go. Smiling, there you go. And turn and look at her. There you go. 1, 2, 3. I just want your face like very close to hers, like you're leaning, like if you wanted to lean and kiss her cheek. Lean more. I want you in the picture. A little more. There you go. There you go. Cross your leg. Perfect. There you go. Oh, that's so. There you go. Now, like you were doing your buttons, like this, and look at me. And look towards the light. That looks. Let me just